What's up, Hot Ones Diecast family? We're back with another case break. We missed the P case for whatever reason. They were never shipped to us. That's kind of becoming an issue that we are going to have to address at some point. But we do have Q case today. We've had some P case goodies that I have found in the wild, but yeah, never invoiced. That's happened with quite a few things recently, so we'll see what happens. But for now, let's get into this. I've cracked one of these in the wild at Publix. All right, let's do this, y'all. Without further ado, Audi 90 Quattro recolor in black. Dig it. We have a Blitz Speeder recolor, teal and pink. And this one came out, last case, I believe. But since we haven't done a video, because we didn't get our pre-cases, let's check out this GTD. Oh, it's so pretty. Probably the best color on that one so far. We have Ravager ST in red and orange. A fantastic recolor on the 2018 Bentley Continental GT3. Looks great in gold. No issues there. And we got our first recolor on a Ferrari. 365 GTB4 Competizione. I guess that's how you say it. In fly yellow. Oh, looks good. Looks so good. What a great casting. We have a recolor on the Lamborghini Sterrato. Well, Huracan Sterrato, I should say. Yellow and black. Looks good. Recolor on the Zinger 21C. Now, this is not a fantasy casting. In case you didn't know, this is a real world car. And if you go look it up, it's pretty freaking incredible. New version of the Kit Kart in black. One of the ride-ons if you got the little figurines. Do they even make the figurines anymore? I don't know. 67 Shelby GT500, part of the Mustang 60 pack. BMW 635 CSI. This was a new casting for this year, and we have a recolor in orange and white. Looking fantastic. Salt shaker. I don't know where the pepper grinder is, but there's your salt shaker. The salt shaker. The Mustache showed up a few cases ago. Go with a little hot rod or salt racer. Another Bentley. The McMurtry Spearling 2025 first edition. I don't have anything to say about it because I'm not terribly familiar with it, but I bet it's fast. We have the recolor of the SF90 Stradale. SF90, not getting a lot of love from the Ferrari community, but I think they're just, maybe I'll step up. That's a bad car. I mean, just BA, y'all. Come on. And the one that everybody's going to want out of this case is the recolor on the F40 Competizione. Check her out, y'all. Fly yellow indeed. She be fly. Recolor on the Pterodactyl, if that's your bag. Another Mustang. We have the recolor blue over tan interior on the Mercedes 560S ECANG. Probably my favorite color on this one. Just so crispy. Another Mustang and a recolor on the 96 Dodge Viper GTS. New casting for 2025, or I should say a redone casting for 2025. They've had it blue and white and blue. Now you have yellow and black. Looking good. Recolor on Hot Wings. Recolor on the Land Rover Defender 90, looking very national parks there. The Polestar TRX. I guess Volvo's shot at a Cybertruck. I don't know. What the hell is that thing? Okay, but they're trying. We have the 83 Porsche 928S, another new casting for 2025. Tracked wagon. And another Blitzspeeder. Here's a nice one. First edition McLaren W1. Their newest hypercar. Top of the line McLaren. Looking good in a matte gray and black color scheme. Another SF90. Then we have the Chevy Blazer 4x4. I love it, but I mean, this is the era that I grew up in. Man, I would have killed to have an S10 Blazer when I was in high school. These are so cool. We have the recolor on the TV series Batmobile in red, which I very much dig. I think it's a good color on the Batmobile, and I'm not even a fan of red. We have the mainline to the Super BMW M3 wagon in green with the Michelin Man on the hood. Running out of room here, y'all. Drift and brake in silver, grayish, and orange. Excuse my sniffles. A couple repeats, and we have a recolor 91 GMC Cyclone in red. Always a popular truck, no matter what color it's in. All right, let's pull the divider. Or not. Good grief. Come to me. All right, y'all. Next row. We have a recolor on the Renault Espace. I think it's not E-Space. I know that, but I don't know the correct way to say it either. Recolor, they've just flopped the colors. It was yellow over black. Now it's black over yellow. We have a recolor on the Roadster. I dig it. Yeah, I don't know, something about it is screaming Jaguar to me. I don't know. And another pterodactyl. Pick up one of these cases, y'all. You can get all the pterodactyls you need. Sushi tuner in pink. No, what? A sushi roll, I guess. We have the Street Shrieker, new for 2025. Actually, really cool little fantasy casting, hypercar-ish style. Got a really neat pattern on it. I don't know how well that's going to come through on camera, but it's a cool car. We have the Alfa Romeo Giulia TI Super Recolor. New casting for 2025. We had it in red before. Here it is in white and green. Let's see, another Batmobile. We have the Speed Driver with a functional, what is that, 10mm wrench. And then we have a recolor on the Decidedly Go. It was in purple before, and y'all know I'm a big purple fan, obviously. I may go out on a limb and say that I like the teal with purple better. I don't know. Of course, this one's a working Magic 8-ball. If you have any uncertainty in your life, pick up a Hot Wheel. Figure it out. Recolor on the Honda CB750 Cafe. We just saw that Kroger released a exclusive recolor on this one for their drop. Same thing on, I should have mentioned some of the other ones too, but you know, whatever. Those are some repeats. What else we got? Actually, a cool one. They did a rally, off-road rally version of the El Segundo Coupe, and I think it's cool. Recolor on the Aztec Custom. Of course, we've seen them do a certain TV show tribute. I can't decide. I think this is painted. I always have a hard time. Yeah, it's painted. It's painted. I was going to say maybe unofficial Zamac because it has that kind of brightness to it. but it's not. So I'll shut up and move on. Some repeats, and then the ultimate T-Rex transporter. Come on, y'all. I know you've been waiting for it. There it is. There it is, y'all. There. Okay. Keep moving. Keep moving. Dispense with the stupidity, right? We got a recolor Volkswagen T3 Custom. Looks good. I think it's a cool van. It's a cool van. I mean, everybody likes VW buses, right? Even the newer ones. Another track wagon, another Kroger exclusive recolor they just did. I'll actually grab those before the end of the show and show you what they look like, in case you don't have Krogers in your area. Recolor on the Mazda RX-3 in a yellowy, cream, beige, tan, whatever you want to call it. Recolor on the Quick Chat in silver. Of course, this one, the Fisher-Price toy that a lot of us grew up with, and probably kids today still get. I don't know, do they? And of course, when you take this one out and roll it, the handset jingles like it's ringing. All right, we did not pull the Super. Let's show you this one first. See, y'all, they do come damaged from the factory. 15 Land Rover Defender double cab in yellow. And this is the main line to what is the Super in the Q case. The RS200 Gulf. And, you know, us Americans may not be terribly familiar with the RS200, but it is a legendary rally car. And in the Gulf livery, man, I mean, everything looks good in the Gulf livery, right? That's a banger. I dig it, y'all. I hope to pull a Super. The Super is, of course, a little bit darker teal. The Spectra Flame teal isn't, they can't quite get that light blue. Good looking car, though. We do collect these. We have them on all of our keychains, as a matter of fact. I'm waiting for a navy blue one so that I can put it with Ellie, my LS430. If you've ever watched any of our videos, go back and watch. There are some videos with Ellie making a short appearance. But anyways, yeah, I dig the coupe clips. And the 911 clips are even better. Dig it. And last but not least, because these are recolors, the one everybody's, the F40, I don't know. Y'all tell me in the comments. What are you more excited about? The recolor on the F40 or the recolor on the 83 Sylvie? Check her out, y'all. This gray and orange stripe package with the, let's call them bronze wheels, bronze lip wheels. Good looking recolor of the 83. All right, y'all, that's it. No Super. Is what it is. Let me grab those Kroger exclusives real quick, because I told you I'd do it. I'm a man of my word. All right, y'all. These are the exclusives you're looking for Kroger. There's your recolor of the track wagon. These just hit stores recently. Recolor on the 15 Land Rover Defender double cab. There's your Honda CB750 Cafe, and I'll go ahead and say that's probably the best version they've done of it. That's a good one. And then you have a Zamac version of the Lotus Type 49, and yes, y'all, I am pretty positive. I'm not looking at the camera. I'm pretty positive that's not painted. I'm pretty positive it's Zamac. I don't know. Anyways, y'all, we'll catch you on the next one. Go check out the website, www.thehotonesdiecast.com. Got lots of great stuff on there. We're trying to get things rolling, so y'all go check us out, please. We've got some great deals on there. And, you know, all the new stuff is on the way. So don't miss out. Thanks for watching, y'all. We'll catch you on the next one.